y'all, it's your girl Nat and I am back with another video. So in this video, it's going to be a little different. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a kind of get to know me Q&A video. So on my Instagram and my Snapchat and my other accounts, I posted for people to ask me questions, and I got some unique questions that I'm going to answer for you guys in this video. But before I go ahead and get into the questions, you already know what to do. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video and you like my content, my other videos will be down in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and take a look at those as well. But anywho, I'm not going to keep you guys waiting much longer, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. So like I said, the questions were from Instagram, Snapchat, and some of my other social media platforms, and I just went ahead and copied and pasted them so they're in the notes of my phone. I'm just going to be reading them off of my phone. What are your pronouns? My pronouns are she, her, anything feminine. I identify she, her. Who would you want to be on your team in a zombie apocalypse? I would say my little brother, because he's watched every single zombie apocalypse movie ever. He's seen it. Probably my boyfriend, and someone who's like a medic, someone who I know that can do anything medical. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is lasagna. It's been lasagna for a while. It's just something about the cheese with the marinara and then the noodle. How tall are you? I am 5'7". I'm 5'7". What is my greatest joy? I would say my greatest joy is like the fact that I'm on my own, like that I have my own place that I can come to at the end of the day. Very blessed for that. Making videos. I like making videos. Now that I just started my YouTube channel, it's like one of my top things to do. Getting ready. Like I like getting ready. I like, you know, planning outfits, getting cute, like the whole like process of getting cute, taking pictures. Like I like all that stuff. Are you missing anyone from your past?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
No. No. Childhood actor crush. Ian Somerhalder, because if you've ever seen Vampire Diaries, all the girls who've seen Vampire Diaries, then you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. I don't even have to say too much. What was your worst day ever? My worst day ever. Do I have a worst day ever? I don't think I have a worst day ever. Stuff happens. I don't think I've had a worst day ever. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I cannot think of anything that is considered to be my worst day ever. What is the biggest lie you've ever told your parents? The biggest lie I ever told my parents was probably that I had a boyfriend. They didn't know. They found out.
Got him!
What's your major in college? Psychology. I am a psych major. But don't ask me what I want to do with it, because I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with it yet. I'm still kind of exploring my options and like seeing what I want to do and like what stands out to me. There are some things that stand out to me, but nothing that is like, do this, let this be your career. Do you want kids? If so, how many? Yes, I do want kids, and I want 3. If I do have kids, I would really love to have 2 girls and 1 boy, but I don't really care. Either way it goes, I'ma love them. Your biggest secret? I pick my nose. I don't have any secrets. I'm an open book, y'all. I'm really an open book. I don't have any secrets.
Lies! The lie!
Deepest fear. What is your deepest fear? I don't like bugs. Anything that jumps, hops, runs or slithers too fast. Thing like a shark. But I've never been in contact with the shark, but I just know I'm afraid of them. Spiders, that's a bug. Yeah. Where do you see yourself in the next 2 years? In the next 2 years, I see myself graduated from college. I see myself kind of going more in depth with what I want to do and kind of aligning my interests with my career as well. Successfully, you know, uploading videos, already reached my monetization mark to where I can get monetized on YouTube. Getting better at like makeup, getting better at hair, just kind of like growing in like my self-care. And I also see myself happy, so, which I already am now, but 2 years is a long time from now, but it's like also like right there. I kind of like to take it day by day, because thinking about it like that can really make you like overwhelmed and stressed out, and you're trying to figure out, you know, what you want to do with life. So you kind of just take it day by day. That's what I do. At least that's what I do. I take it day by day. All right, y'all, so that kind of sums up this video for what it is. It was kind of fun. I enjoyed answering some of you guys' questions, and I'm kind of thinking about doing this in the future just to kind of let you guys know a little bit more about me. And I hope you guys did learn a little bit about me and like what I like, and you know, leave down in the comments, what is your favorite food, or what's your biggest fear? I want to know too. Like, I want to get to know you guys a little bit more as well. But like I said, that kind of just goes ahead and wraps up this video. That's going to be all for me today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said before, go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to comment. Just answer some of these questions. Let me know how your girl did in the comments. If you guys like seeing videos like this where I just talk to you guys and not really kind of showing you guys anything, let me know if you guys like these type of videos in the comments. Well, that just kind of sums up this video. Thank you guys so much for taking another look into Nat's world, and I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye.